Cleaning logs relating to slip and fall accidents are actually one of the primary tools that the insurance industry uses to defend against slip and fall claims. From the plaintiff side or the victim side, cleaning logs are a bad thing. Cleaning logs are used to help discharge the defendant's obligations under the Occupiers Liability Act. So the Occupiers Liability Act is a governing piece of legislation that requires occupiers of properties or property owners, mall owners, grocery stores to establish that they've taken reasonable steps to ensure that you're reasonably safe while on their property. And again, it's always contextual based on the circumstances of each case. And bottom line is one of the main tools of how they try to discharge their obligation under the Act is by showing that they had a system of inspection and maintenance in place. That's really what cleaning logs are. Cleaning logs document how often the property was inspected, what maintenance was done, what was detected, what was not detected, and the frequency. So cleaning logs, although they are prima facie evidence of maintenance and inspection, it does not mean from the defense side that it's carte blanche defense to any allegations of negligence. Inspections can still be deficient, maintenance can still be deficient, irrespective of the fact that cleaning logs exist. If there are no cleaning logs, that's obviously a very helpful factor in favor of establishing liability. And conversely, the defense has cleaning logs. It's obviously a positive for the insurance company and or the defendants in terms of establishing that they took reasonable steps to discharge their obligations under the Act. Bottom line is, cleaning logs have to be analyzed very carefully. They can be misleading. They may not tell the whole story. They may only tell part of the story. But either way, whenever you have claims against retail operators, grocery stores, large commercial retailers, malls, part of what you're going to see in these cases all stems from cleaning logs, which is why anybody who's involved in a slip and fall accident, in, I'd say, 90% of the time, no lawyer can tell you on day one whether or not you will in fact have a successful claim, because we don't know what the cleaning logs have to say. We don't know what steps they took to inspect and maintain their property. So only these things can be determined through litigation and or discussions with the insurance company or the defendant specifically. They're an important factor to consider in the overall discussion of whether or not there's liability that stems from your slip and fall accident.